Hi, I'm Esso, and I'm set to graduate in July. And since most of my major deadlines are gone, I thought it was a good time to look back at everything I've done so far and recap my journey. So I studied computer science and programming, and I started in 2019. And my first year, looking back at it, overall I did pretty well. All my grades were good, but I remember how much difficulty I had with some things and how much effort I put into just producing results like these, which, to be completely honest, is hard for me to look back at. I try to look at it in the context that I had zero experience when I started, and then in 6 months I produced about 3 game prototypes from knowing nothing about game development before. And the fact that I can look back at that whole year and feel embarrassed by what I produced, I think should suggest that I've grown as a game developer, seeing as I feel bad about what I produced back then because I feel like I can produce something better now. But that whole year got cut short, obviously because of COVID. But that was a blessing in disguise because that meant I could go home early, having a long summer holiday. So I just did a lot of game jams, ranging from 2 days long to maybe 7 days. And this really cut my teeth as I got the practice I needed just developing games. I filled a lot of the gaps in knowledge I had in my first year, and rolling into my second year, I came in a lot stronger because I had a good foundation of knowledge. But more importantly, I knew how to find out things I didn't know myself. And at the end of that year, I had produced 5 projects, and some of them were of high enough quality that I added them to my portfolio. And they're still on my portfolio to this day, even though they're a whole year old, which showcases how much I've grown between the first and second year. In my first year, my class tutor showed me this learning curve that depicted what you will go through until you reach mastery. So in the first 6 months of my degree, I definitely went through the first initial bump, and then when I started my second year, I started climbing that again on the road to mastery. In my final year, I was trying to reach that peak of mastery by taking in all the lessons I had learned to make a series of products that best showcased all my skills. My lecturer also told me that once you reach mastery, that curve kind of repeats itself as you try and push yourself. And because of what I created this year, I can see that there's so much more for me to learn, even though what I produced was good. So that has kind of brought a natural conclusion to my time at Staffordshire as a transition from my education and into industry to try and climb this curve again, however this time not from the bottom, hopefully.